Today I'm taking a look at the Prostormer 21V Max cordless nail gun. So it comes with a nice big case. It's got quite a bit of heft to it. Okay. This is a nice large nail gun. So it is brushless, that's important. That means it's going to use less power. It means the motor's going to last longer and it's not going to make that smoke smell it's just sometimes get with brushed motors. We do have a safety interlock on the front. It has an all metal nail holder in here. And it actually has options for single firing and contact firing. So if you want to, you can hold the trigger and you can just press the interlock in order to make it fire. We got our instructions. We got our charger. It has some LED indicators to let us know the status. It does have some screw holes, so we can mount this on the wall. It's good for 110 to 240 volts, so it's good for international or domestic, and it outputs 1 amp at 21.5 volts. And this is a nice large battery, 21 volts, 4.5 amps. So this should last quite a while. It also looks like they included some nails. We got a nice little variety in sizes there for our brad nails, and we also have some staples. So I'll load this up, just drop them in, make sure that the sharp end is pointed away, and lock that down. And we can drop in our battery and turn it on. So right now we got the two LEDs, so that means we are in single mode. If I hit the mode button, now we are in contact firing. On the left side we have our depth adjustment, so you can see on the top it's shallow, on the bottom is deep, so I'm going to set this all the way to shallow. This is a piece of 5/8 press board. Okay, so all the way shallow is definitely very shallow. And that's good because what that means is if we're trying to do some like upholstery work or something like that, something we need to be very careful with, we can actually adjust it so that it's that light. So there we go, a little bit goes a long way. Yeah, we could darn near blow all the way through this thing if we wanted to. Now I'm going to send it to contact, and with that I'm just going to press and hold the trigger. I do like that it has a fairly quick reset on it. Some of these electric nailers take quite a long time to cycle. That's pretty awesome. You drive a lot of nails real quick with one of these. So yeah, if you're doing baseboard or crown molding, or even if you're doing some kind of upholstery work, a good nail gun, especially one where you don't have to have a hose or a cord attached to it, a tool like this will just make your job that much easier. So I am very happy with that.